Welcome guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a simple and easy brown stew fish. So let's get right into the video. So here we have our fish that's already washed and clean with some vinegar and lemon. And if you have lime, you can go ahead and use it too. And see, I make some, yes guys, so the season can go in and your fish already. So here we have some black pepper and salt. And I have some seafood spice. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go in with some of my spice. So yes guys, I'm gonna be adding some of this seafood spice. So you can add whatever spices you have in your kitchen. So I use this one. I also use my Cajun season, that's the Cool Runnings brand, and I use my all-purpose season, also Cool Runnings, and I use my garlic, my roast garlic with it also. So I always make sure my fish is well seasoned to the bone. So now I'm gonna go in with some of my Obey season. Yes guys, make sure your fish well properly seasoned. And you know, I don't know if you guys do this, but you know, when you have steamed fish or you have fried fish, whatever fish it is, and you know, you reach the head part, you always chew everything up. Yes, so I always make sure right up in there, so up in at the head there, so season properly. So you know, when that finish and you fry it crispy and nice, or you steam it or brown stew it, you eat everything, not no waste, not in a dash way. So yes guys, I am going in with my black pepper and salt, not too much, because you know, some of the seasons and spices already have your salt and things like that, so you don't want to salt your fish. So I'm making sure to season my fish properly. So I'm rubbing that in gentle. Be careful, bone sticky. So we're using the red snapper fish. You can use the tilapia. You can go ahead and use the sliced fish for your brown stew, or whatever versions you want to try, whatever fish you want to try, which one you can get in your supermarket, that's okay. You can try that one too. So here now we have our oil. It's on, our stove is on high and it's hot, really hot guys. Make sure your oil is hot before you attempt to fry your fish. You don't want to put it in cold oil or lukewarm oil, or yeah. So here we're adding our fish. So and then I add some garlic to the oil and a hot Scotch bonnet pepper. You can also add some rosemary or some thyme or scallion, whatever you feel pleased to put in it. So it's just a style that I grew up and see my mom and my grandma doing, adding their hot pepper and garlic and those kind of things to their oil when they're frying fish. So I continue with the tradition. So in the meanwhile my fish is frying, I am going to go in and cut up my vegetables. So I'm going to be using some bell pepper. So I have the red bell pepper. So I'm going to be dicing that up, not too big, not too small, just medium size or in between, right? So meanwhile all this is going on, I have some rice and peas on the other side of the stove steaming down. You know your thing, girl. So I'm going to be serving this with some rice and peas and some veg and some, yeah, lemonade or whatever you feel pleased to serve it with. So here we have the yellow bell pepper. So yes guys, now we're finished cutting up our veggies. Now I'm going to take out my fish. They're ready. And then I'm going to throw away the oil. Throw off the oil from there. Wow, that looks so nice. So I'm going to be adding a cup of water. So guys, as I said before, this is Pals Island Kitchen style of doing her brown stew fish. So I'm going to be showing you all the spices and herbs that I will be using. So I have my bell pepper, my onion scallion, and my thyme, and my hot pepper and garlic. So here, and I also had a little piece of ginger in there too. So I'm going to be adding my fish to the water first. So it's like I have a different spin to it. Normally I would saute my vegetables before, but now I'm doing it the other way because, you know, guys, you have to own your own skill and do your thing your way. So as I say, you can do it this way, or you can add the veggies first and then add the fish after, or you can do it this way. This is my version, one of the styles that I use when I'm doing my brown stew fish, and it still came out the same way how you will do it. So guys, this is how I do it. So I'm gonna make sure that I put all my herbs and spices in the water to bubble, simmer and cook. So I just wash my thing that I was using and wash my hands and clean up my station. So meanwhile that is bubbling, guys, I am going to be adding some sauce. So I will be look at all that niceness. Wow. So the steam is kind of affecting the camera a little bit, guys. I apologize for that. So here we're gonna go in. We're gonna be adding some fish and meat sauce. And this is something that I use very regular. And now I am going to go in and I'm gonna be adding some ketchup. The ketchup helps to give it that taste and a little richness in the sauce that you're making for the fish and everything else. Some people may add soya sauce, stuff like that. I don't, because it's just my style. And now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of browning. So guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. Live good, love God. I'll see you next time in Pals Island Kitchen. To all my new subscribers, welcome to Pals Island Kitchen. So guys, please remember to live good, love God, and I will see you next week. Bye bye.